Hi, I'm Vijaya and I'm from Hyderabad. During my pregnancy, I thought of joining in Art of Pregnancy Care Institute. I was searching for the Art of Pregnancy Care Institutes, and once as I came to know through the pamphlet about Activate 5 Senses, and I approached them. They said, yeah, it's a good program and you can take up, and the way they have shown me in the demo class and everything, it was so impressive, and I have took it for it. And I have gone for Art of Pregnancy Care, complete program of pregnancy care. And during my 9 months of pregnancy and after delivery, how baby can be motivated and thing. Then I have started in my 4th month. That's the right time. I have started in my 4th month. R.S. Prasad sir has motivated me, and he has taught everything about pregnancy and how we have to take care about the pregnancy, which will show so much of impact on the baby. And I have gone for meditation, visualization meditation, and vision, how baby has to be, and physical activity by Shailaja Garu, and so on. So I have and remaining staff also helped me a lot, and that helped me during my pregnancy. And I implemented same thing at home also, the yoga and meditation and art of parenting. Everything helped me a lot during my pregnancy, and after my pregnancy also I started implementing on my baby. And now I think it's almost 50% of my vision has come true. How my baby has to be there, I can see how I have visualized during the pregnancy. I can see that after delivery, and he's a very good baby, and a strong baby also, and a healthy baby. After delivery, I started art of parenting on my baby, and I used to teach. I used to tell him everything, the sleep talk, and say and do everything. I used to keep on telling before what I do, and for example, when I go for massage, I used to tell the baby before itself, I'm going to do a body massage. And before bath, I used to keep telling, and whatever before I used to keep telling. And after, when he goes to bed also, I used to talk to him, and I used to show so and so is this one, and I used to talk about the relations and everything, and he responds quite well. I'm so happy with the program, and I think most of the pregnant ladies also has to opt for it, and which will keep a pregnant lady healthy and the baby also healthy. So I think most of them has to go for it. And happy parenting, I think most of the pregnant ladies has to go for it, and it's not my request, it's I think you have to go for it and enjoy your pregnancy, and even the motherhood also. And all the best wishes for everyone.